Yo, yo. Just realized I was muting myself. But I'm trying to load this up and test things out. See if my computer blows up when I load into Unreal Engine. So far, so good. And hop into... This is a free for the month asset inside of Unreal Engine. There's a couple here, we could take a look, but I want to jump right into the map. This is, let's jump into the daytime. Well, yeah, let's do daytime, because that's what I preloaded before. And is my computer, yeah, computer's totally skipping. Oh boy. Oh, it's struggling. Struggle. Hold on, computer. Don't you die on me, computer. Let's see if, oh boy. Look at me. Still think, kind of seems like the way Unreal Engine works is it's like it's loading up a whole architecture. Like in the background, it's just like processing stuff and building this entire world for us to jump into, and that when you give it a little bit of time to load, it kind of stabilizes, and then we're often flying around. But see, kind of starting to stabilize. Just seems like there's this period of like required background loading. I also don't know how to separate the resources out to like allocate 30% for OBS or whatever it is, OBS, or 10%, 15%, I think it is. How to do that, and then also tell Unreal Engine to be like max 70%. That's kind of what it's doing automatically, but I feel like if you set those parameters, it's probably happier. Let's see. This little one, texture streaming. You gotta type in r.texture. What is it? r.streaming.pool size. Well, my camera's definitely still buggy. It looks like my mic is working properly though, which is good. I was still, I mean, maybe actually it might be loaded. It might just be like struggle. I don't know about this. I always look at this and I think this is not right. Like shared GPU should probably be higher, but we've got some options here. We can go and do the engine scalability and turn it down to high. Let's see what happens. Okay. I think camera looks like it's working. Yeah. Yeah, this looks good. This looks usable. These are high settings. And now it's loaded up. And looks good, man. I don't know. I think this is doable. Just takes like 5 minutes to load into the software. Well, that's exciting. I mean, this seems doable. I feel like it requires some pre-loading. Like before I turn on the stream, I should load into an instance. Also, I get a message here. It says, video memory has been exhausted. Expect extremely poor performance. Okay, I mean, what if we turn this down a little bit? The medium? Medium's still kind of cool. Do we got the console here? Or like the resource monitor? Let me just look at that. So yeah, switching to medium. And then hopefully, I hope I'm just, there's something I can do to allocate the GPU memory to this shared. I don't know if it works like that though. If it does, that'd be sweet. But I think this is what I get. So, all right. Medium settings. This is workable. And then let's see. Oops. What? Oops. All right, let's see. Brilliant. But hey, that looks like it works. We can animate. We can animate in Unreal Engine. After we're loaded into the scene, definitely doable. Although this is definitely the max. Like I can't have any other programs besides OBS and Unreal Engine running at the same time like this. All right, that's cool. Shut it down. Let's see. Let's jump into Blender. I think Blender is no problem. The only thing is I don't know Blender very well. But if we jump into, I mean, I literally just reinstalled this stuff. Let's see if I can jump into, let's see what VFX is. Huh, no, I've never looked here. I've never been here before. Okay, so, I mean, it looks pretty, looks smooth, right? We haven't really done anything. We're not rendering. And this is just the basic cube. So if there's like a template type thing, is there? There probably is, right? We could probably find some template to load into. That'd be good for learning anyways. Where would I find that? Import STL. Actually, I do want to import a STL. I just want to see if like my 3D printing stuff, what that looks like when you bring it into Blender. Okay, let's. Oh. 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 Yeah. Wait, there's a better way to like move around, isn't there? What is it? Go to snap selection to move to no. Okay, whatever. I'll just go the long way. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Got to get more familiar with these controls. But STLs, they look pretty sweet. They work. What's the deal with STLs? Someone was saying that like they're just very inefficient with how they cut them up, I believe. I could see where, like how many polygons or whatever. I don't know how to see that. Geometry data? Is it behind my head? Custom properties, attributes. Probably in here. Man, Blender, I gotta figure out how to use Blender. Let's see. Blender scene download. Free sample download. Demo files from blender.org. That's what I'm talking about. Human, oh sweet. Okay, this is it. Let's see. Pose library. Okay, sweet. Oh, sweet. Sweet. Cool. Oh, that looks cool. Which one? Which one to jump into? Oh, wow. How stylized that is. I mean, it's all stylized. Oh, but this is for 2.9, so maybe I want to just stick with 4. geometry nodes. I feel like those are pretty sweet. Human base meshes. It's probably this. Like I probably want to take a look at these here because that's probably how I'll be using Blender is for character creation. But then geometry nodes are just cool, right? Human base meshes, cube diorama, and pose library. Let's start with this. Looks good, man. So far, so good. Blender's looking good. Okay, so what the heck is this? Where am I? Human base meshes asset bundle version 1.1. All provided assets are public domain under the CC0 license. Sweet. I can monetize this. The minimum supported Blender is 3.2. Okay, what's included? These are various human-based meshes that are provided by the Blender community and Blender Studio. They include quad topology for multi-resolution sculpting, closed volumes for voxel remeshing, base sets, UV maps, including UDIMs, multi-resolution levels for realistic assets, and creased edges and subdiv modifiers for planar primitive assets. Okay, I understood some of those words. Like include, Blender Studio, I understand. That's the program we're using. How to install the asset bundle. It's recommended to create a new asset library in the preferences first. So this is like the preview file, and then we can install this into a location. So to add this to the asset file, to the asset library in the asset browser below, click on copy bundle to asset library. Okay. Choose the target user library. That's me. Oh. Where to put this? Where do I put this? Blender. I don't have a Blender file, a Blender folder inside of my documents. I guess I'll make one. Can I? New folder. Blender. Okay. Oh. There's probably something I could probably find wherever my thing is. Anyways, so what do we do with this? Wow, this is useful. Glad we found this. I actually 3D printed this. Like this exact. That probably is this exact model. That's funny. I don't know where that is. It was for Halloween, and then Halloween passed, and I was like, I don't really want a skull just sitting around. I must have put it somewhere. But I don't know where. Forget. Oh, see, here's the object count. That's what I was looking for before. But this is cool, man. I think like the idea is that you can use, you know, if you're gonna do a characters that look like this, you just take, copy and paste these two characters, and then you just start molding and modifying them and making a whole bunch of these people. And then you have them in the style, in the same style. Very realistic. Yeah, but instead of like trying to start from the beginning, this is a pretty cool template to start from instead. Okay, but I don't think I successfully copied this to my library. Where are my files? What does that mean? Okay, what if I just try to put it? Okay, whatever. That's cool. What else? I want to see if there's another. While we're here, I feel like might as well just go ahead and take a peek at these. Proposed library. Cool. Load into that. And how's the comp doing? Doing all right. We've got several Blender instances open. Oh, what was that message? I just clicked off something. Oh. Okay, so to pose Ellie, click on a pose. These are facial poses though, right? Or no, this looks like a pose. Although, is this supposed to be like a lot? It seems like it's sort of loading it and tracing. Can't really figure out what's going on with the preview here. Okay, what if we pause? Pause, playback, pause, okay. Okay, so there we go. I don't really get what's going on over here. Press space to play back a little animation and have fun applying facial poses. To keyframe the poses, press the record button at bottom center of the window. I mean, if I press that though, she's going to be in that pose for one frame. Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Yay! Then she's yeah, it's fun. What was that one? Oh, scared. Oh, she's pissed. Super pissed. Look at how pissed she is. Oh, she's pissed. She is angry. Cool. That's fun. What else we got here? Cube diorama. I don't think. Yeah, let's jump into this one too. Let's do Blender preview files. Good way to learn about stuff. Wow. I think it's still loading. Yep, definitely still loading. Let's see, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instances of Blender going now. So that's good to know. Seems like I can pretty nicely Blender and stream. Good to know. But why isn't it? I mean, I think this is the scene. It's still just populating though. Let's close this one. Close this one. Let's close this one. And let's hop back into this one. All right, so I mean, what? Table. Desk. Display case. Oh, rotate. Oh. 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 90 degrees. Grab on the Z axis So it looks like it's on the ground there. All right. Okay. Dresser. Well, what is this? Is this just a picture? It's just an image? Or a reference photo? Oh, yeah, that's our reference photo. So we got to make this. Let's make this. That's the challenge. Okay, so we need the desk, furniture, desk. There, perfect. Now we gotta rotate it on along the Z. Nope. Or on the X. Nope. Or long. Yeah, there. Same thing as before. If we hold that 90, okay. Oh, okay. There we go. Oh. Okay. Okay. Computer. No. All right. Ah. Well, I guess that's gonna happen. Didn't feel like I was doing any illegal operations, but Blender didn't think so. Blender exploded. Okay, so let's try the third program here, which is Ableton. Let's see if this is loadable. This is Ableton 11. All right, and let me add a folder. I gotta add. I just reinstalled Ableton, so I gotta get my audio samples loaded again. Okay, they're right here. And then let me see if I could load a project file. File, open. Gotta dig into the archive. Let's see. Ableton projects. My bad. Trying to find which project to load into. I had a folder of stuff that I was working on like months ago, but I don't know where that's at. Old projects? No. That was from years ago. Years and years. But there was like this, I was working on something cool. Oh, is this it? Okay, here we go. Scared to jump into this one on stream, but all right. And do I have any of the stuff? No, I don't. The synths are not loaded. Just gonna mess everything up. So let's see if I plugins, rescan. Oh, I gotta turn this stuff on. Then turn this one on. Well, we got Serum here, and that's all we need. But gotta get my serial key. Serum. Xfer Serum. Copy that. Paste. Okay. And then we also need to get our splice. We gotta get splice in here too. We gotta get splice into this party. Splice. Join the party, splice. Allow splice. Join the party. Oops. Okay, Splice has joined the party. But do I have the samples and stuff? Bridge? I think I gotta install Bridge. So much stuff. I don't think that was the right thing. Let's see. Browse. Instruments. Man, I'm scared to play this because it's gonna be... It's busted, man. I gotta fix the synthesizers in here. Let's try... I might... Now that I reinstalled that stuff, I might want to try to restart this, right? Let's restart. Nope. Wondering if I should try and just add the stuff from here. Sync locally. Oh, that's how you do it. You have to like go into the settings and sync everything that you've already got. That's what it is. Sync locally. I want to sync everything. Oh, there we go. I pressed the sync locally, and now it's syncing everything. All right, so let's see if I add another instance, load in. Nope. Okay, now it's syncing. All right. Let's go into that file. Oh. Oh. True. There's a lot here. There's a lot of things that are. There's a lot that are turned off here. But let's see. If I just start plugging in. Oh, this is tricky. If I just plug that in, does it figure it out? No, it doesn't. Oh. Oh, and how am I supposed to remember which is which? Oh, I guess I gotta just start back over again. Oh, that's kind of silly. Oh man, is that right? Wait. I think it's because this is looking for at least Serum as a VST2, which I didn't do. I set it as a VST3. So maybe if I do turn this on and then have it look in VST2, common files, VST2. There's nothing there. There's nothing in it. Let's try one more place. Common files. Okay, one last try. Let's try and reinstall, but just make sure that we set the serum to the VST2. Oh, there's like 3 versions of this. This is... Let's try those 2. Yeah. Yeah. Do that. That looked promising. Okay, and then we hop into here again one more time. This might work. Let's see if we're expecting those to be... The VST2 plugin could not be found. Okay, wait. Rescan. Nah. Dang. Wait. There's nothing in this folder though. Alrighty. Alright. Moving along. Huh. Kind of annoying. Let's I'm gonna save this as branch. Okay, let's just try and throw some synths in here and see if we can get something going. Still annoyed that I couldn't find that. Okay. So this is high bass. What is this supposed to be? Like a plucky thing, I think? Yeah. All right, load this in. This is like also the same, but a little different. Layering. Wait, I gotta turn system sounds down. That's not so loud. Wait, system sounds. I want to turn that down. So it doesn't blow your ears out. That's annoying for you. Oh, maybe this, right? Output, we want this be loud. And then this stuff to be not loud. Low bass. Ooh. A little too long. And then this one was called Pluck Verby. Pluck Verby. Gotta try and remember what I was going for. Let's just look. Pluck Verby. Pluck. Okay. And then this one was called Pluck Punchy. So let's look for another pluck here. Pluck. Okay, and then there was another one here, which was also called Pluck Punchy. I mean, the one that I just put on wasn't really Pluck Punchy, but it sounded, I liked it. This is kind of cool. It's like going through this with new ears. Fresh ears. So Pluck Punchy. Let's go have the rave. And I want to know what this one is. Okay, no. Oh, jeez. That's too loud. My bad. That's too much. But we need... I remember which synth this was. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, man. Where is it? I think the automations are coming over. Profit. That's too much, right? It's coming in too hot on your side. Hmm. Huh? And then what's this one? Same deal. One of these. I don't think it is though. I'll have to find it. Jeez. That's not it. That's what this one I think is. Okay, yeah, that's right. But then this one, that's it. What the heck? What? What is that kick? What? Nope. Nope. Oh, hey BD, how's it going? I loaded up some Ableton and testing it out. Today was a test stream, seeing if I can like how the computer performs under Ableton. Tried out Unreal Engine and then also tried Blender. And Blender and Unreal, no, Blender and Ableton Live seem to have no issues. Then Unreal is pretty heavy. Pretty heavy program. How are you doing? Ugh. Where's a good pluck here? Nope. A glockenspiel. Much. Yeah, this is an old project. Well, it's not that old. Actually, it was something I was working on last year, and I reinstalled, and I'm just like trying to find the sounds. I'm like working from the old file, but bringing in sounds that match, that feel good for today, you know. Crazy at work, but this is supposed to be after award season. Isn't it like vacation time? It's not. It's about the same about I'm coming to find out regardless of how prestigious the projects may seem. Oh, so is the start of the year. Is there like a cycle for films? I feel like a film cycle might be more like 2 years, right? At minimum. No, it's probably all dependent. Oh, so award season. Yeah, award season's over. Oh, concerts. Okay. Concert films. Ah. Yeah, people are always concerts are happening all year, aren't they? Well, maybe right after the new year, things kind of quiet down. Seems to be the thing with like most industries. They kind of chill out after the new year, after the fiscal year, after the holidays. There's like a few months here, like the first quarter. Concert films work very different. Comedy specials, music specials, etc. Yeah, people are always. Yeah, yeah. And then when you're at the top of the circuit, it's always in demand. Okay. So streaming and Ableton seem to have no problem at all. It's good. Oh, so BD, I'm moving my the morning stream is now going to be the educational series, and then this is like I'm thinking after hours, so it's going to be more chill, working on projects around this time. You're saying, I mean, the summer is usually pretty slow. That's about it. Yeah, summer's like most people just want to go outside in the sun and hang out. Winter's like everybody goes inside to work. You mean T Swift? She's pretty big these days. The T the Taylor. I heard she generates like $1 billion for the state that she does her shows in, like for each show. DMX. Do you know DMX? DMX. Can I? DMX is like MIDI, but like the next level of MIDI, right? Is DMX? Can I use my MIDI controller with? Hmm. Let's set up a new project here. Let's do a film video set. Um, make a new project. Yeah, DMX. I played around with. Well, I looked into it. I mean, I was trying to trigger stuff with MIDI, but then I was like, had realized it was DMX was the thing, so I kind of looked into that. But it's kind of like the next level of MIDI, right? Like MIDI, professional MIDI controllers, or less. All right. Actually know what this is. Okay, Hollywood movie sets. Props. Let's add it. Add it. In camera, VFX. Sample, no, a little different. Don't create. So the props. Oh yeah, I don't want to add this. Make a little studio. Automotive materials. Dang. No longer apartment tech props. Yeah. Can I? Yes. All right, cool. Okay, let's hop into this. Oops. That's it? That's all we get? Oh, okay, we don't even get cameras. What? Okay, cameras in this. Okay, I need a desk. Okay. Now we can put the camera. Let's see these cameras. This is the equipment we're working with. We got a camcorder. We got camcorder. Computer. .3D printer. Oh yeah, need one of these. Okay, I'm gonna need another table. Put the 3D printer on that one. Snapping. I need to turn snapping off. Turn this to 5. Oh yeah, we need a graphic tablet. Okay. Rip. Rip camera. I don't know. I think I just need a better cord situation. I think it's just the cord. Doesn't charge it as it doesn't keep it charged as it's being used. Anyways. 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 I'm gonna need to do some project planning. What? What's a AC bag? Oh, an AC for a bag for an AC. Is this the is this there like a recommended website that you use? Not all bags are created equal. Bags, bags. It looks like the Sennheiser logo. Is that just me? Right? I see the difference, but close. Really like the RE. Oh yeah. Now that's a bag. That's a hell of a bag. Hell of a bag. Oh, you could like wrap it up. PDF. We could get a PDF of this. What? Sennheiser. I mean, is that leather? No. Kind of like it. Hell of a bag. What about what are those it's like I don't even know what that's called. The thing, it's like a box. Like a box. I don't know. A big box. A cool big box for carrying around equipment. Oh yeah, these things. Uline. What are you doing, Uline? Uline. Is Rode road cases. Okay. Nope, not film. This one? Oh, roadcases.com. Oh. What? Road cases. I think there's road cases in one of these. I think I got road cases somewhere. Yeah, I think it's this. Here they are. Got them. The star of the show. Road cases. Go road cases. Road cases. Mannequin. Where are the mannequins? Oh. Oh, yeet. Okay, I'll try to do a backflip another day. I'm actually gonna sign off here. Yeet. Thanks for hanging out. That was a fun stream. Hope you have a great day, and I hope you find your AC bag, and I hope you find a moment to get some rest. Hope to see you again soon. Actually, I'll be on tomorrow morning. Going to be streaming the educational content. Going to pick up DaVinci Resolve, and then I'll be streaming tomorrow evening, same time. And catch you then. See you, man.